In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Axos Bank online banking password. Now, it's not uncommon to forget a password, and knowing how to reset it is essential for regaining access to your account. Let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Axos Bank login page. This can be done by opening your web browser and typing in the URL secure.axosbank.com/login. Once you're on the page, you'll notice the login boxes prominently displayed. Beneath these, look for the option that says Forgot Password. This is your entry point to resetting your password, so go ahead and click on it. Next, the system will prompt you to enter your username. It's important to ensure that this is the correct username associated with your Axos Bank account. Once you've entered your username, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These instructions are in place to verify your identity and ensure the security of your account. After you've completed the username step, it's time to check your email. Axos Bank will send you a password reset link. It's crucial to monitor your inbox, and don't forget to check any spam or junk folders in case the email lands there by mistake. The email you're looking for will be clearly identifiable as a message from Axos Bank. When you find that email, inside you'll see a link that allows you to reset your password. Click on this link and it will guide you through the steps to create a new password. Remember, when creating a new password, it's best to make it strong and secure, incorporating a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you have successfully created a new password, return to the Axos Bank login page. Here, you can log in using your new password. It should work seamlessly and you'll regain access to your account right away. And there you have it, a straightforward way to reset your Axos Bank online banking password. Just remember to keep your new password safe and avoid sharing it with anyone. Regularly updating your password and keeping it secure are part of maintaining your account's security. That's all for today's guide. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials.